Welcome to Summarize Science. What if you could command a video game world into existence, not with a controller, but with your own words? Imagine looking at a static picture and typing, "Make it snow," and then watching a blizzard realistically form before your eyes. This might sound like science fiction, but researchers at Tencent have just unveiled an AI called Hunyuan Gamecraft 2 that does exactly that. It's not just another video generator. It's an interactive world model that builds a dynamic, playable scene from a single starting image and a text prompt. As you can see here, a user can type "draw a torch" and a character pulls out a torch that realistically lights up the environment. They can also use standard W, A, S, D keys to move the camera, just like in a game. Now, building an AI like this is incredibly challenging. One of the biggest hurdles is getting the right kind of data to teach it. You can't just feed it random internet videos because the AI needs to learn about cause and effect. It needs to understand that when you open a door, the state of the world changes from door closed to door open. To solve this, the team developed clever automated pipelines to generate what they call synthetic interaction data. These systems can take a starting image and an instruction, like trigger an explosion, and then create a brand new, high-quality video clip of that specific action happening. This process gave them the massive, specialized dataset required for this complex task. The AI model itself is built on a massive 14 billion parameter foundation. The researchers then engineered it to accept these user commands, seamlessly injecting text prompts and keyboard signals into the video generation process. But how do you even measure if an AI is good at interaction? Standard video quality scores don't cut it, so the team created a whole new evaluation system called InterBench. InterBench specifically tests for things like, did the requested action actually trigger? Did it look believable and fluent? And was the object physics correct? When put to the test, Hunyuan Gamecraft 2 significantly outperformed other state-of-the-art models. As shown in these comparisons, its generated actions are more coherent, and it follows instructions much more reliably than the alternatives. Perhaps the most mind-blowing feature is its ability to generalize to concepts it wasn't specifically trained on. For example, the model can generate a dragon appearing in the sky or a character picking up a phone, even without explicit training examples of those events. This shows it's not just memorizing, but actually learning the underlying principles of interaction. So to recap, this research isn't just about making pretty videos, it's about creating interactive worlds that understand cause and effect. The key breakthroughs were in creating and defining interactive data, building a model that understands user commands, and developing a new way to measure success. This technology points to a future where game worlds could be generated on the fly, tailored to a player's exact words. It could revolutionize not just gaming, but also training simulations and creative tools for artists. While there are still limitations, like handling very long-term memory, this is a huge leap towards truly playable, AI-generated worlds. Thanks for tuning in to Summarize Science. What command would you type into an AI like this? Let us know in the comments.